this is how you can send unlimited connection requests on LinkedIn. Basically, you can reach out to people who you think would be a good fit for your services, or if you just want to network with people, this is how you can send like unlimited connection requests to them with personalized messages, 100% automated, meaning you can be sleeping, doing whatever you want to do, and the connection request will be sent out to them on complete autopilot. So the first thing is you have to log into GrowMe Organic, which is the tool which we're going to be using for this. If you don't have an account, I think you can just go over here and you can start like a 2-week free trial if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's a referral link, by the way, for full transparency. So I will earn like 20 or 30% commissions if you do decide to start the subscription. But this is what I genuinely use. This is what I pay for with my own money, and this is the only tool which offers unlimited LinkedIn scraping, local business scraping, and everything at one fixed pricing of like $100 a month, which is very affordable, I believe. But if you want like access to the same at even more affordable prices, you can get it through us. We offer you the same for like $12 a month. If you're an Indian user, just go open this link up and you can check out and get access to the same. If you're an international user, go here. So I'm assuming you already have a GrowMe Organic subscription, because without that you cannot do it. So yeah, just open up your GrowMe Organic dashboard, apps.growmeorganic.com. Once a year, you can see there's this thing called Automate LinkedIn, and you can just see it over here. Click on the second thing, LinkedIn Automate Your Visits and Connection Requests. Just simply click on this. Yep. Once a year, you will see this option of downloading the extension. So they have their own extension which you need to download. Just simply click on this and download the extension. Once it has been downloaded, just simply double click on it in Mac and the folder will be extracted. If you're on Windows, the process might be a bit different, but they have their own tutorial over here. So this orange text, install extension in developer mode. So you can just open it up in a new tab and see the tutorial for Windows. I don't have Windows, so I cannot show that to you, but it's pretty simple. Like, yeah, they have the tutorials and everything. So yeah, just follow it along. I'll actually link this as well over here. Windows installation guide. And for the Mac, you can just simply refer to the steps in the video. Yeah, so that's how you install it on Windows. Yep. So once the extension has been downloaded, you simply need to click on the 3 dots at the top right corner of your Chrome window. Click on these 3 dots, and after that you can see extensions over here. Come to manage extensions over here. Click on this, and over here, ensure that developer mode is turned on. Like, this will be turned off by default. Just toggle it on. Click on this thing and ensure it's turned on at the top right corner of the screen. Once that is done, simply click on this button known as Load Unpacked over here. Click on this and download, like, just double click on the folder which you just extracted. Like, this was the file which was originally downloaded. If you remember, we double clicked on it and this folder came out. So just click on select over here. Once this is done, that's all you had to do. Like, literally, yeah, that's it. The extension has been downloaded, as you can see over here. It's visible, GrowMe Organic. Once you're done with that, just simply click on this thing known as access to LinkedIn. You need to be logged in with your LinkedIn account. You can do it with the free one as well. LinkedIn Premium and Sales Navigator, they do work better, but free one works too. So just click on access to LinkedIn over here and LinkedIn is going to open up. Just ensure you're logged in. And after that, you simply need to like search for your ideal customer profile. Basically people who you want to connect with. Like, let's say I want to reach out to lead generation agency owners. Like, let's say I want to reach out to lead generation agency owners. I can just set that up over here. And now you can see how many results are here. I'll just select people from here because we want to be connecting with people. You can see there are 62,000 results. We want to now apply filters which will basically ensure that we narrow down the total results to like 50 to 100 people, because I think 50 to 100 connection requests a day is pretty good. So now click on this all filters and we're basically going to be applying filters and trying to narrow down people. So the first thing which we can do is just narrow down the geography, like what is the place where we want to connect with people. Like, I'll just actually do just agency owners instead of lead generation agency owner. So I'll just select agency owner and select people, and there are 158,000 results, so like 1.5 lakh agency owners. So I'll come to all filters and I'm gonna select come to like add a location. You can choose any location, and I'm just gonna be like Alabama, United States. So if I just do that and click on show results, then also there are like 1800 results. So now I can also add more filters. So I can add like job title, whatever, or I can add uh, what services they offer. So I want to work with, let's say, lead generation agencies, or I want to work with, is personal branding a service? I don't think so. Lead generation, what is digital marketing? I think that. Video editing, maybe not really. Let's say these are the things, like let me just try to apply it. Yeah. So now I've narrowed down the search results to just like 74 results. And that's what you want, because in one day we will be sending around 50 to 100 connection requests. If you're having issues, like you can do up and down whatever you want to do. But I like to keep it between 50 to 100. So 74 is actually perfect. Like you can just narrow down. Like tomorrow I can reach out to people in California, and you can just keep on doing it. So yeah, that's how you do it. Once you're done with that, just click on this auto connects and visits at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see grow me organic auto connect and visits. Just click on this, and yeah, you can choose the message. So first name is basically, it will replace it with the first name of the person. So I'll be like uh, just any message that you want to send. So what can I do? I'll just be like, can you handle 3 to 5 new clients for your agency in the next few weeks? Hey, first name, can you, like, it can be any message, you know yourself. After that, you want to do this, like visit plus auto connect with the message. That's the best thing which you can do. Like, what will happen in visit only is that LinkedIn will basically send them a notification that you viewed their profile. If you select like connect only with each profile with a message, LinkedIn will tell them that you have sent a connection request, but it will not tell them that you viewed their profile. If you do like visit plus auto connect with the message, then it means like LinkedIn will tell them that we visited their profile, we send them a connection request along with the message. And you can, I think, connect without a message as well. Just remove the message if you don't want to send a message. But I think like there's a 3x or like 4x, something like that, higher connection request acceptance rate, whatever, like tongue twisters, if you do decide to send a message along with it. After that, you can select like stop after X actions, meaning how many maximum connection requests you want to send in a day. I'll just keep it at like 100. And this is a random delay between the actions, so that LinkedIn does not think you're like a bot or something, and it does not ban you. So I'll just keep it at like 30 to 100 seconds. I've never faced any issues with it. If you want to be safer, like add more time. So add like maybe 500 to 600 seconds, whatever you want to do. And just click on start the automation. And that's all you have to do. Like you can literally now just chill and do whatever you want to do with your life. Yeah. So the next connection request will go out in 58 seconds, 57 seconds. And yeah, that's what you needed to do. And one question, like one common problem which you might face, someone might be like, Someone, like, I'm just not unable to send connection requests. Like time has passed, like a lot of time has passed, and the total actions are still at 0. And I'm basically unable to reach out to people and everything. And the simplest fix for that is reach out to people who are close to you geographically. If you see, like, this person is a LinkedIn member, it's a LinkedIn member, it's a LinkedIn member. Basically, I cannot see all of the names. And that's because they're very far away geographically from my locality. And most of my connections are going to be close to me. So if I search for agency owners in, let's say, Mumbai or Delhi or like Bangalore, like everything would be visible over here. But the reason like you might face this issue is because you're reaching out to people in like all corners of the world. So what I'll do, if your network is very small, just start like close to your hometown, close to your geographical location, expand your network a bit. And as that happens, this won't be a LinkedIn member anymore. And it will just start to broaden out, and it will just become easier and better and faster. So yeah, if you are completely new to this and you cannot see like this is just not happening. Like total action is one, meaning we have sent out one connection request, but it has been hours since you started and you're not seeing any connection requests go out. Just start with people who are close to your locality, and as time passes, as your network and your connections grow, then you can maybe move on to something like basically like reaching out to people who are far away from you in terms of geography. And as you can see, like it's automatically reaching out to people and everything. Yeah, that's how you automate your connection request. Like leave it running in the background. If you want to do work, just create a new tab. Like do not open up new tabs over here. Click on these three dots, click on new window, not new tab, sorry, new window, and just continue working over here. Just leave it running in the background. Yeah, that's how you do it. Take care, people. Have a lovely, beautiful day ahead. And once again, if you have any uh, problems or questions, just leave a question in the sales and community. Oh, I'll just add it over here. Yeah, just leave a question over here. And the best thing which you can do to describe the issue is just go to loom.com and record a quick Loom video exactly like this and add a link to your problem as well. Just create a new post over here. And that would honestly help a lot because we can get back to you and actually understand what the issue is. Yeah, have a lovely, beautiful, fantastic day ahead, people. Take care.